Looks like he just rear-ended a car here. You're going to be getting a call on that Main and Von Harvey. He's gone. Yeah, he's gone towards Riverview.
Okay.
Yeah, the car has gone towards Riverview, and I'm still following. But he definitely hit a car. He hit a Subaru SUV who's now trying to catch him. There's pieces coming off of that car right now. So yeah, he just did a hit and run. Okay, they're going to be turning on Assumption Boulevard.
They're turning on to where?
To Assumption Boulevard. They're going to be turning left, coming towards the police station. No, he's gone in the opposite lane. He's gone in oncoming traffic on Assumption Boulevard. Okay, he's turning and he's turning. He's going on Assumption Boulevard. He's going up over the median right now.
Okay.
I'm getting all of this on Dashcam too, just so you know.
Okay.
Okay, they're continuing on Assumption Boulevard, headed towards the courthouse. High rate of speed right now is probably 80 kilometers. Going to be turning left on Easton Street. Almost hit another car. Okay, he's hit another car here at Easton and Assumption. Another car. Hit another car. He's going up to Albert Street right now. Turning right on Albert Street, going towards the shelter. Wrong side of the road. Going towards, headed towards Foundry Street. Still traveling eastbound.
Still traveling eastbound?
Yeah. Okay, turning south on Foundry. Wrong side of the road. Wrong side of the road on Foundry. We're going to be going out in the traffic here again on Assumption. I don't know what's going to happen here, but...
Okay, they're not far out.
Okay, at the red light on Assumption. Stopped at the red light on Assumption, trying to make a left to go east. Okay, he's going east on Assumption right now. car is dragging parts, up over the median, dragging parts underneath. Going through Lutz, going through the lights at Lutz, coming towards the police station. Coming towards the police station, going to be turning at the courthouse.
Okay.
Turn left at the courthouse. I see a member got a car pulled over just ahead of us here, but
Okay.
I don't know if he sees us or not. Yeah, okay, here comes the member. Here comes the member. We're going up besides the courthouse here.
Yep.
Okay, I'm pulling over for the member. Member's coming up.
Okay.
Okay,
Did
so
you just pull over and let him go by
yes,
there, okay?
yes, I did. I've already done that.
All right.
Okay, so
wait.
okay. I'll let you go. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much for the call.
No problem. Bye.
All right.